Hello and welcome back to the channel. Quadlock have sent us the ultimate accessories for their phone holder mounting system. This is some good stuff, so let's get into it. Cue the intro. So if you've not seen it, I've already reviewed the Quadlock phone holder itself. They sent me that out and I put it on the bike, and to be honest, I've had it now for a good few weeks and I use it all the time. The accessibility and the quality is absolutely fantastic. So when I released the video, as I always do, I sent Quadlock a link to it and thanked them for sending me out the products. They watched it, they loved it, and then they turned around and said, yeah, but we've got loads of accessories that will make your life even easier, so we're going to send you some more. And they sent me all of this. Now we've got some really cool stuff here. I wanted to start off with the 1-inch ball mount. Now that is for really the RAM mount system. So if you've got multiple bikes like I have, you can put that on to different bikes. I will show you that coming up. Obviously another vibration dampener to go with that. So again, if you've got multiple bikes and you want something you can just unclick instead of buying lots of the system over and over again, that really is what you're looking for. Now this is a product that they've just launched, and it is a smart adapter. It's a super cool waterproof 12 volt to USB smart adapter. This is a game changer, because have you ever gone to your garage and you've turned up to your bike and you've gone to click it and it just doesn't fire, and then you go, oh, the battery's low, because you've left something plugged in that you shouldn't have, or you've gone on a trip and you're constantly going, I hope my bike starts in the morning, so I've just put a load of 12 volt chargers and stuff on to charge things like my heated vest, my phone and all that. This will stop that from happening. So what this smart adapter does is that it will, at 12.4 volts, it will stop whatever it's powering. So whatever you plug into this, when you start up your bike and your alternator and stuff kicks in and your bike power goes past 12.4, this will then send the power to the thing that you're trying to charge. And that's awesome, because a lot of the time you put the cheap stuff in and you're there going, oh, I hope it's not going to drain the battery dead. Well, this will stop it. How cool is that? And that's massive peace of mind for me when I'm on an adventure or I'm just about to go out the door in the morning to work or something, to know that my battery is not going to be zapped by something I've left on by mistake. That is awesome. And also this. Now they sent me the wireless charger last time round and I didn't install it because the phone that I had actually didn't have wireless charging, but I've upgraded, what means I have got it. Now in the last video I used their universal adapter that you can stick onto any case that you want to buy what's with it, so that it does work. But this time I get to check out their proper case. I'm quite excited. Anyway, shall we get on with installing the bits on the bike and seeing what the quality and how easy this actually is to do. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to wire up the smart adapter. Now, the one thing I will say, if you buy cheaper products in general, what they don't come with is the battery terminal connectors. You normally just get the wire and you have to wire it up yourself, and it can be a pain up the butt. And I always know a quality product because they always take the time to put on the actual connectors itself. Massive difference, it really is, because it speeds up this whole process. Now I'm not going to teach people how to suck eggs on this because it is super easy. Now I really can't make this a how-to guide because it is really as simple as connect these to your battery. Obviously your plus to your positive and your minus to your negative, so obviously red to your positive and black to your negative. It is that easy, and plug it in, and obviously you hide the wires underneath the bike, so when you put on your smart adapter up the front you should have already ran or hid your wires down anyway and they connect together. But I'll show you that the best I can, but you don't really need this bit because it's that simple to put on. It's happy days. So with it connected to the battery, there is loads of cable. There's loads of cable on the actual connector wire itself, plus there's loads of cable on this as well. So if you wanted to, you could literally run this up to your handlebars and just have it as a USB charger, and then you can obviously charge anything you want to charge off of it that way, like I said, heated vests, etc, etc, etc. But there is more than enough cable that comes with the wireless charger as well. So to keep it super neat for me, I'm going to run the wireless charger, I'm going to put that on, and I'm going to run the cable for that underneath the seat, hide all these wires, so it's a really neat job. Now the one thing with this as well is once it's all on, just put it into auto and let it do its thing, and then that way your battery's never going to drain. Okay, so let's check out the phone case, the quad lock phone case. Again, this is the universal one, loads of flex, but it did stick on there and it's held on for a few weeks with no problems at all. But you can't beat, can you? You can't beat the proper one. I mean, look how much thicker that is compared to a cheap case. Look, the actual feel and the thickness compared to that. Oh, I gotta say, quad lock, I really do like their products, and the thing of it is I won't review any old thing. I actually turned down quite a few things because I'm like, I don't want to review it because it'll be rubbish. Where with quad lock, it's just all premium, so I'm going to take this out of my normal phone case and put it into the quad lock one. Here we go. Right, iPhone 13, this is the latest iPhone that's currently out while making this review. God, that is in there snug, isn't it? It ain't going to come out on the road. Well, the quality of this is definitely loads better than that cheap one. I definitely recommend picking up a proper case. Anyway, shall we put this on the bike and see if it charges, see if I've wired it up correctly, and then happy days. So let's try this out. As you can see on the waterproof wireless charger, the light's not lit here. That means that the smart adapter is working. That's hidden underneath that seat because it's under 12.4 volts. So let's switch it on, let's start it up, let's put my phone on it and see if the wireless charger is working. But that light should come on once it goes past 12.4 volts. Here we go. Straight on. It's gone blue. So let's attach the phone, see if this actually works. And it's charging. How easy is that? Switch that off. When it drops to under 12.4 volts, it will stop charging. So how good is that? Now it's dropped under 12.4, so it's no longer charging, but just the point of not having to mess around trying to put on a wire, knowing now every time I connect it, my phone's getting a boost. Everything's so easy with quad lock, and not just that, obviously you've still got your vibration dampener on there, so your phone's not going to get knackered. It's just so easy. But then if you're like me and you've got multiple bikes, they've got it covered as well. They've got this 1-inch ball RAM mount adapter, and you know what, it just means that I can attach it to so many bikes. I use the RAM mount system to be able to attach things like my action cameras as I'm going down the road, and now I'll be able to attach my phone. And because all my bikes have got the RAM mount system, it's just simple and easy to put on and off. I'll show you in a second, but this is fantastic for me because it means I can always use the quad lock system. All you need is another vibration dampener and this, bada boom, bada bing. Okay, so this is the RAM mount system that you get separately. You can get that for literally about 20 quid, all like that, off of eBay or somewhere like that. But it's, and obviously you can pay more, but it's just awesome because all you got to do to swap this over, pop this in here, get it in the position where you like your phone, tighten it up, and then literally all you got to do, undo that, swap it to the bike, just get this part of it. Happy days. And then that's it. Literally, you are good to go. Another system done. Multiple bikes, no matter if I'm using the monkey bike or I'm using one of my other bikes. All I've got to do now is put that on there, and I've got a phone holder for all of them. That's cool. Well, there you go. Every accessory that you need. You want your phone charging wirelessly, securely. Quad lock is a system to use. Their standard quad lock mounting system I've done in the previous video. Absolutely awesome. Multiple bikes. Get the 1-inch. They have got you covered. Go and check out their website. I can honestly say that the quality and the feel of this product really, really is good, and I generally think it's worth the money. I've tried cheaper. You've seen that in the video. It never works out. From now on, I think I'll be sticking with this. Well done, quad lock, yet again. You've impressed me, you've wowed me. I'm sold.